Why? Let's hope and pray that we can finish this game without Anthony Marshall getting injured. Again, is Anthony Marshall. It's a matches sticker playing our forward line right now. So I don't know, fam. I don't fucking know. No, no, no. Oh! Yes! What? Humbercard. I'm outside the fuck. Oh my god. Cool. Sabita! Golazo! Yes. What a pass from Bruno. What a fucking pass from Bruno, fam. Good goal. Sabitza upon them. Fuck no, no. Pussy. No, no, no. Oh! Sabitza again! Again! Yes! Yes! What I would say is just Simon. Go there. Move. Move. Play now. Stick it, man. Fucking hell, fam. What the fuck was that, fam? Malasia, kick the ball out, no brother. Kick the ball out, no dog. The fuck was that? Brother, what the fuck did I just see? What? What did we just see? I don't fucking know, fam. I don't know. Manchester United just finished the game 2-2. A game in which we saw the first half ending 2-0. And we just threw the game down the toilet, fam. The game ended 2-2 with Sevilla not having a shot on target. How that makes sense? I don't know. I don't fucking know. How can the game end 2-2 with Sevilla not having a shot on target? But still, the game ended 2-2. I don't know, fam. It was a game filled with drama and suspense. What the fuck, fam? We saw Casemiro come back in the team. We saw Eriksen back into the squad. We saw Martial back into the starting lineup. Game ended 2-2, fam. And it could have been 3-2. Let's just get into it, fam. What did we just see? Did we saw? What we saw? What the fuck? I don't know, fam. I don't know. Sabitzer, the Austrian Terminator. Sabitzer, you beauty. Sabitzer running down the number 10 position, just picking up positions in the midfield number 10 area. Perfect positioning. 2 passes, clear goals, wonderful goals from Sabitzer. 2 goals within the first 30 minutes. Beautiful, beautiful football, Sabitzer. Beautiful football. First pass from Bruno, beautiful. And that pass from Marshall to Sabitzer again. That is why Marshall is in the team, fam. He's injury prone, yes, but those passes, fam. That's exactly what we needed. Sabitzer, beautiful. What did we see? Marshall back into the starting lineup, playing fluent, consistent football in the first 45 minutes. That assist from Marshall to Sabitzer. Can't say much about it, fam. That's what we saw in the first half. Martial playing well, assist after assist. Listen, great ball. I love it. Martial can't talk too much because it might go down for your prayer tonight. I pray to Allah, God, or Vinsu, and still mash up him hamstring or him knee. So can't really talk too loud. But Martial, well done. Game finished. 60 minutes in, no injuries. So What did we just see? Or what we saw? What we fucking saw was the referee again in Europa League fucking the league up, fam. What the hell was that? Bruno is now missing the next leg. A leg that's going to be very crucial. We didn't think that in the first half, but in the second half, now we're losing. We're drawing the game 2-2. No, he cannot play the next game because you give the man a yellow card because the man, the ball hit the man right or so. With him back turn to the goal. And you give him a yellow card for that. You give him a yellow card for that, fam. You fucked up, fam. You are Jano. I swear to God, fam. I swear to fucking God. What we just saw. The defense. Harry Maguire and fucking Malacia, fam. Malacia, the ball coming over at your feet. Kick it out. Kick it out, fam. The man just come round the can, the back of you, boom, and kick it pan you and kick it and you go in a goal. Why? Why you not kick out the ball? Why? You can't quote these kind of things, Parry. Why? You know he's right behind you. Why? Harry fucking Maguire, fam. Every international break, you come here, you interview where you're the best this, and you're doing your best you can, and you know you win every game you play this season. All that shit. What the fuck just happened, fam? El Nassi out of the fucking one game, I buck the ball over this up, and you just put your big bum buckler head in the way, boom, them score. Why? And lastly, what did we just see? What we saw? What the fuck was what we saw was injuries. Injuries. The first injury was Rafael Varane. Eric Ten Hag said he had niggles in the first half, something that was bothering him throughout the past couple of weeks. And it took him off the second half. I don't know if it was preventative or he just felt it real bad, but it took him off. Harry Maguire came on. And then the biggest one of all, the one that brought tears to my fucking eyes. Because after Manaz said that's the first goal, I went to take a piss. And when we come back, boom. Whole team circle around Martinez. And then look at the replay. It looked like he clipped his Achilles. It looked like his season was done, fam. That was 9 to 10 months out in a man. But then Eric Ten Hag came out and said, no, it's not his Achilles that's the problem. It's whatever them call them bone in your foot. Your Martellis is out of foot them one call him. But how you much up your bones in your instep and nobody not tackle you? What the fuck? What was a weird thing? Come like some Pogba over thing going on, man. Oh my God. No, the season is over for him. We know him not come back for the rest of the season. Now we have Harry fucking Maguire for the rest of the season. So what looked like a bright and fruitful season for the rest of the season, now it looks like it's going to be biting nails all for the rest of the season until the end of the season. Ah, boy, people, bless up yourself, bless up others, Manaz.